Good morning, students. Till now, in the lesson Glimpses of India, we have learned in part 1 about Goa, its life, and especially the love for bakery items among the people. As I told you, that Portuguese brought bread making idea, they established furnaces, but the culture is still alive. The bakers and bakeries play an important role in Goa and Goan life. Okay? The author remembered his childhood days as how a baker used to come to their house, how those things were kept away from the reach of the children, and how they used to find those things. The sweet and other dishes, they were also bakery items only. So, even today, bakeries play an important role in the lives of Goan people. In this next part of lesson, means second part, takes us away to the heaven on land, that is Coorg. It is located in Karnataka. Okay. If you go through the map of Karnataka, I have sent you some PPTs, go through it. It is a wonderful place to visit, wonderful place. It is a heaven on earth. It is called the Kashmir of South. क्या कहा जाता है इसको? The Kashmir. Do you know, children, though this article "the" is not used with any name of the state, but when we compare or when we transfer the quality of certain place to another place, we use "the." Okay? That's why we have used the Kashmir for Coorg here. We also call it the Scotland of South India. Scotland is very beautiful country, island country, just south to England, ग्रेट ब्रिटेन का एक पार्ट है. तो स्कॉटलैंड जितना भी खूबसूरत कह सकते हैं हम इसको. Therefore, this lesson is a travel from the beauty of beaches to the heaven of highlands. It is a hill station. Fine, just think a heaven on land. Just imagine a heaven on land. Fine. It is, this part of travelogue is written by a doctor. Just think, the writer is a doctor. He is a doctor by profession, Lokesh Abrol. Okay? A doctor by profession. He is a writer, entrepreneur, social entrepreneur especially. Then he is an excellent photographer as well. Just imagine. Apart from it, he has established a school for privileged children. He established a super multi-speciality hospital in Gurgaon in Delhi, which is in private sector, along with his team. So this author is himself a personality of vivid direction, means multi-skilled personality. Dr. Lokesh Abrol. Okay? This Coorg is, as I told you, extremely beautiful place with highlands, with a generally cool and wet climate. Actually यहाँ क्या है, ये साउथ इंडिया में है, तो एवरग्रीन एरिया के पास इसका लोकेशन है. Therefore, it remains green throughout the year. It receives rainfall for the most part of the year, and it is a heaven. Okay? It looks like a piece of heaven that must have drifted फ्रॉम द किंगडम ऑफ गॉड। ऑथर ने इतने ब्यूटीफुल वर्ड्स यूज़ किए हैं कि इसको जैसे किंगडम ऑफ गॉड से लाया गया हो हमारे लिए। देन इट इज़ द लैंड ऑफ रोलिंग हिल्स, जैसे हमारी दिस अरावलीज और हिमालयाज हैं, पैरेलल माउंटेन्स हैं। तो यहाँ पर भी क्या है, रोलिंग हिल्स है, एक के बाद एक दूसरी। देन दिस Kurg district is in Karnataka and it is famous for its spices and coffee plantation. Its coffee has beautiful fragrance, बहुत fragrance इसकी बहुत extraordinary है। Its coffee is very popular all over the world and spices especially, they are also extraordinarily famous and even exported from this place. Then evergreen forest cover near about 30% part of this area, this district. Just imagine कि evergreen forest है, and do you know where these evergreen forests are found? Near equatorial region, because this equator passes very close to it, and therefore it is a home to the variety of animals and wildlife and plantation. ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ कुछ ही वैरायटी के हैं, a large variety of trees and animals are found, means it is a big home of flora and fauna here. Birds, bees, elephants, especially this is a home to the elephants of this area. Butterflies, a variety of butterflies are found here. Fine. So big elephants, bees, birds, butterflies, they have provided visitors a large variety of attractive areas. Many places are worth visiting there, but Brahmagiri Hills, the climb and trekking to Brahmagiri Hills is a wonderful and never forgetting experience. Okay, Brahmagiri Hills are there. They present a panoramic view to the visitors. Once a person goes there, it becomes a lifelong memory for him. So whenever you get a chance, definitely go there. Okay. Then it provides a misty landscape to the place, means to Kurg. Misty means ऐसा लगता है चारों तरफ धुंध, क्लाउड्स ही क्लाउड्स है, धुंध है, ब्यूटीफुल सिनेरिया है, ग्रीनरी है, वाइड रेंज ऑफ plants and animals is there. Apart from it, it is said that the people who are searching for the heart and soul of India should visit Kurg. जिनको इंडिया की वास्तव में हार्ट और सोल देखना है, महसूस करना है, they should visit Kurg at least once in their life. Okay? So I hope you will go through the PPT. It is an extraordinary place, extraordinarily beautiful place, wonderful to see here. There are many waterfalls, enchanting waterfalls, a large variety of flora and fauna, fine, animals and trees, and it is all because it is of rolling hills. Apart from it, people have a different culture. It has given brave warriors to our country. You must have heard the name of General K.M. Kariyappa. He also belonged to this place. Means people have a strong built, okay, because those who live and work in hills, their physique automatically become strong. जो हार्ड वर्कर होते हैं, हिल्स में रहते हैं, उनको और ट्रेवल जो उनकी ट्रेवलिंग है ऑन फूट होती है, देयरफॉर देयर फिजिक बिकम क्वाइट स्ट्रॉन्ग. ओके, so we will continue the lesson